Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles for business step by step. Start by creating a consistent base batter, weigh ingredients precisely, and set up a clean production station to ensure repeatable results. Focus on flow. Mixing, resting, cooking, cooling, and packaging must operate like an assembly line. Track yields and costs per batch, then refine your process for quality and profit. Plan ingredient orders and tool needs before you begin production to avoid delays. Measure flour, sugar, leavening, and liquids by weight for predictable results, and standardize mix times. Keep one set of tools for testing and one for production to prevent cross-contamination. Maintain inventory logs and reorder points so you never run out mid-run. This preparation keeps batches consistent and customers happy while protecting your margins. If you are enjoying this walkthrough, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof meal prep containers that make storing and transporting waffles so much easier, especially for deliveries and markets. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want to pick some up. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Dial in cook time and temperature through controlled test batches and record every change. Use timers and checklists at each station to ensure every waffle meets your standard. Cool on racks to lock in crispness, then package with breathability if shipping or airtight seals for local pickup. Label each package with batch info and allergens, and keep a short feedback loop with customers to refine presentation and shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.